Dalgıç Makine has been established in 2007 to provide machining solutions in Istanbul, Istanbul. It's specialized in high-precision machining, precision cut, wire erosion, robotic equipment production, tool set production, and fixture manufacturing with its CMM inspection capability and effective CAD/CAM engineering solutions, especially for the automotive, defense, aerospace, and mold manufacturing industries. Our company, which constantly improves its quality as a pioneer, sought after and innovative organization in its field, received certificates of conformity for ISO in 2015, IATF 16949, and VDA 6.3 standards in 2017.